Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and in what must be the last film I'll be making before this place has its official opening, I'm at a Coral Bay Strip now 2 days before the President himself, hello there, is there is me thinking he might not want to be filmed. Yeah, the President's coming down at 10 AM on Saturday morning to open it himself at the opening ceremony. I'm arranging to have a chat with Demetrius on Saturday as well. He's a consulting engineer. Get his final progress report from him. But I was in the area and I thought I would have a quick film. This is at the far end, and I'm going to drive up further up towards the middle of the strip, not up the strip itself obviously, but down that way, because most of the road by the new Cali resort is open again now. They seem to be laying a pipe and they're progressing down towards Coral Bay Beach, but the part by Cali resort and Second Cup is now open. There is actually water in the pool, not rainwater, I hasten to add as well, of the resort itself, so that's coming on, and according to their Facebook page, and there's a big announcement on that, they're opening definitely on May the 31st. So we're going to move up to probably by Blazing Saddles first, I think. Right, I'm nearly behind Blazing Saddles now, next to the Golden Temple. There's rubble there, so I'll come around this way. It's a nice little footpath up here. I think I've come too soon. Yeah, I'm at the top of the Cali resort. I'll have a quick look here anyway. See if we can walk. I've seen lots of tourists walking up and down here, so I'm not being inconsiderate, so to speak. There's the Golden Temple. There's Dolce Vita. On terra firma. Yeah, you can see there's quite a few people around. So I can walk here without fear of causing offence. Yeah, well, I'll be seeing Demetrius on Saturday at some point anyway to have a proper chat. This is just a little update. Now when you get up to the other end, because I might as well walk up there, you'll see that they've got bollards separating the pavement from the road, because that was a comment or a theme that kept coming up on people's comments, was how were people going to know. But also there's like a border between the two. I'll walk on just here. Feels weird up here now, because it's so close to being open. There's this ramp there. Dionysus. I don't know where they get their bags from, not the rubble itself, just the bags. They're very good for getting rid of guarding race to take down the green point. There's Cleo. Someone was asking whether the little golf place was open in there. I have no idea, I'm afraid. Oh, the gift shop's also already open if you look. Andrew's looking very nice. I mean, so technically for pedestrians, Coral Bay Strip is already open. I'm sure if that's the official line. See, they're filling the stone with cement, which is good. I had wondered, I'd been afraid to ask actually. It's just because it does look weird when I was here last time that all these stones had gaps between them, but they're filling them up. I have to ask the meters where they get their sacks from. And that's not the kind of question he normally expects to be asked, I think. Right, I'm not going to go too far up that way because they are obviously hard at work here. But you can see the bollards. Yep. Yeah. I'll come in. There we go. Oh, for God's sakes. Look, mate, Facebook will block that. If there's a little cuts there, that's sharp. I don't know why, but there's a fashion in Cyprus in the gift shops to sell elaborately adorned wooden cocks. And that's right, okay. I'm not going to go any further than these bollards because there's still lots of people around who are obviously hard at work, I see. But I'll just film them so that you can see what the future lies, so to speak. And I presume these holes here are where the trees are going to go. But that's it for now. I might film a little bit more on the way back if I can avoid cocks. There's a sentence I didn't expect to have to say. But we'll go back. So yes, Saturday, 10 a.m. President will be officially opening. Now, thank you. I did hear that it might not be open for cars until later, but I don't know if that's true or not. That was just a Facebook comment I saw. But it's already open to a lot of people. And it's the best place to come to buy your cocks or just to enjoy one of the many restaurants that they have here. That's been one of the more bizarre films I've made, I'd say. That's going to be the entrance to more behind restaurant parking. There's a mermaid. It's quite hot today as well, has to be said. So let's have a quick look at Ceviani. I know I've plugged it before, but I'm not actually plugging their food this time. Just how it's a nice ramp there, you see. That's how you get in there if you're in a wheelchair. And if you're not in a wheelchair, you get through this rather smart, natty step.
Is that for Facebook?
It is, and YouTube.
We've been following it.
Which one have you been following? And do you mind if I film you, by the way?
Sorry?
Do you mind if I film you? No, it's polite to ask though, isn't it? Especially if you're going to say nice things about me.
We only say nice things about you.
Good.
We've been watching all the time.
Oh, the drone things. Oh, good. Yes, it is me. Yeah. No, it's coming on. They got their official opening on Saturday at 10 now, with the president being here.
You'll be there then, in front row.
Yeah, well, I don't want the front row. I want to be in the distance so I can just film and think how things happen. If you're right at the front, you don't get to see anything. But
they've done a good job.
they have, haven't they?
Yeah.
It amazes me in the latter stages of these projects how quickly it all moves. Because I mean, a month ago, and you wouldn't have thought it would be at all possible. But
We were here in November. We left the day before they started to do it.
oh, got you. Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, it's lovely to see how much they've done since we've come back.
Good. Well, enjoy your holiday anyway. Have a lovely time, and possibly bump into you on Saturday. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll get you in as well because I think the camera's focusing on him. So hello. Cheers.
Camera likes you.
Right. So, a happy viewer. I hope there are more of you out there. Well, you must be because the likes, etc. are coming in nice and thick and fast. So keep that up. And I'll keeping you informed. Okay, I think I'll stop now. Cheers. Thanks for watching.